Hello students, today we'll see chapter 5, exercise 5.5, question number 5. A parabolic cable of 60-meter portion of the roadbed of a suspension bridge are positioned as shown below. Vertical cables are to be spaced every 6 meter along this portion of the roadbed. Find the length of the first two of these vertical cables from the vertex. So this is the picture given. So this is the road bed. You have a road here. AB is the road bed. Now from the vertex we are moving 6 meters and we are keeping one cable. What is the height of the cable? Then from this cable moving 6 meters. So what is the height of this cable? That is the question. Find the length of the first two cables. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cables are there. They ask you to find the height of the first two cables. The vertex, this height is 3 meters. So from this side to this side is 30 meters. From here, from the center to this side is 30 meters. And there are so many cables kept here. They ask you to find the height of the first two cables. From the vertex, every 6 meter, a cable is kept. For example, this is one cable. What is the height of this cable? Then from here again 6 meters. So from the vertex it is 12 meters. A cable is kept. What is the height of this cable? So let us draw this diagram. So the diagram is this. This AB is the road bed. Okay, the road. This is the road bed, and from the vertex to this is 3 meters. So we can see. So this is the road bed. This length is 3 meters. Now here we draw the x and y axis. So this is the road bed. We take this as AB. So here the road bed is in this diagram. AB is the road bed, and this is the suspension bridge. Now at the vertex, let us draw. This is the vertex. Let us draw the x-axis. Through the vertex we are going to draw the x and y axis. This here, this distance is 3 meters. So this is 3 meters. This distance is 3 meters, and this distance is given as 16 meters. Okay, the diagram you can see from this place, the full length is 16 meters. So this is 3. This is 3. So this is the road bed, and from the road bed this distance is 3 meters, and this DA. So DA is 16 meters, and EA is 3 meters. So you know that DE, the length of DE will be 13 meters, isn't it? This DE will be 13. If DE is 13, what will be CF? CF is also 13. CF is also 13. This is 13 because this full length is 16. This is 3. So the point, let us take a point C here. The C has x coordinate. The C has x coordinate and y coordinate. The x coordinate is this distance from the origin to this point is the x coordinate. So x coordinate is 30 because the length of the road bed is AB is 60. So half of 60. So this is half of 60. So this point is 30. And the y coordinate is CF. CF is 13. So 30, 13. So this parabola, it is open upwards. Open upwards. So the equation of this parabola will be, the equation of this parabola is x square is equal to 4ay. The equation of this parabola is x square is equal to 4ay. Our first step is we have to find this 4a. To find 4a, let us substitute this point. X is 30 and y is 13. This point 30, 13 is a point on this parabola. So the 30, 13 lies on this parabola. So this is a point on this curve. So let us substitute it here. So 30 square is 4a into 13. So we get 4a is equal to 900 by 13. Let us keep this 4a and substitute this in the equation of the parabola. So the equation of the parabola is x square is 4ay. 4a is 900 by 13 into y. So this is the equation of the parabola. We have to use this equation to find the length of the cables. They have said every 6 meter a cable is fixed. So if this is 6 meter, a cable is fixed. So we have to find the height of this cable. So let us take this as 6 meter. The height we take it as y1. So the point P is 6, y1. Where is this point P? The point P is also on this parabola. So substitute x is equal to 6 and y is equal to y1. Put x as 6 and y as y1. So you get, put x as 6, it become 36 is equal to 900 by 13 y1. So y1 is equal to 36 into 13 by 900. So that is equal to 9 4s are 36, 9 hundreds are. So y1 is equal to 52 by 100. That is equal to 0.52. So this distance is y1. So from the road we have to find the length of the cable is from here. The cable starts from the here. So the length of the cable from the road will be 3 plus 0.5. So that is equal to 3.52 meters. We have to add this 3 meter, then only you will get the length of the cable. So from the vertex we are moving to right or left. Okay, the same height you will get it here also. So from the vertex we are moving to the right and or to the left and placing a cable here. The height of that cable is equal to 3.52 meters. The next pillar, next cable will be 6 meters from here. So this is 6 meters. We are drawing one vertical cable here, vertical line. So this length, suppose we name this as G. So OG is 12. So the point Q will be now the x coordinate of the point Q. This is OG will be the x coordinate. So the x coordinate will be 12. Y coordinate we will have to find out. So we'll put it as y2. So y2 is, we have to find same equation. So the point 12 y2 lies on the curve x square is equal to 900 by 13y. So same curve. So put x is 12. So 144 is 900 by 13 into y2. So y2 will be 144 into 13 by 900. So 900, 16. 16 into 13 is 208 by 100. That is equal to 2.08. So the length y2 is, this length is 2.08 from the road. So the length of the second cable from road, 3 plus 2.08, that is 5.08 meters. So that is the height. The heights of the first two vertical cable are 3.52 meters and 5.08 meters. The vertex we are moving, but the height is calculated from the road.